Hey guys, welcome back. Just another quick one again. Today we are going to set the time on a digital watch. So if we look closely, it'll usually give us a hint on what we need to set. And right here's our set marker. It says set, so let's hold that in and it'll say hold to set. And it starts blinking. And here's our next button. Here's our plus. Here's our minus. So we're going to use these two buttons to go through. Now time one, let's set time one, so we'll hit next. And we want to go plus, so we're going to hit this button. And we're going to say it's 2:14 p.m. So we're on AM. We're 12:1, 2 p.m. And then we're going to say next to get to the minutes. And we're going to go plus 2:14. And we're going to go next. We're going to leave the seconds as is. And then we're going to go up to the date. Let's say it is 2. So let's go ahead and go plus. Now let's say we go past it. Oh, we wanted 2. We can hit the minus and go backwards. 2, and then, oh, I set 3. Let's hit the minus. And then we'll do next. And then, let's say it's the 16th. And we'll go next. Year. Let's go plus on that one. 2023. Oh, we went past, so let's hit our minus. There we go. Next, 12 hour, we'll leave. Next, month and day, yep, we'll leave that. Next, chime off, definitely. Beep off, definitely. Chrono on, yes, next. Timer on, yes, next. Occasion on, yes, next. Alarm on, yes, next. Alarm 2 on, yes, next. 3, yes. And then we're back to set time. And we could set 2 different times in here. We could go plus minus, but we're not going to do that. We're going to finish up here, and we're going to press our set button again, and we're back to normal. So that's a real quick one on how you set the digital watch. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and we'll see you next time.